Mr. Speaker, I'm pleased to inform the Parliament that during the Cabinet sitting of 15 July, the establishment of the Financial Services Ombudsman was approved. Mr. Speaker, this is a significant decision, and it shows the government's commitment and political will to enhancing consumer protection and fostering trust in the financial services sector. So, Speaker, the Office of the Financial Services Ombudsperson has been set up, and we have appointed a skilled and knowledgeable ombudsperson to manage complaints and aid in resolving issues. Speaker, the person is Ms. Wati Sito. She's been appointed as the first Financial Services Ombudsperson, as announced by the Reserve Bank of Fiji on the 31st of July last month. Ms. Sito joined the Reserve Bank of Fiji in 2010 after holding senior positions at the Capital Markets Development Authority, bringing with her 25 years of legal expertise, 15 years of which she spent in financial regulation and consumer protection. She, in our view, will spearhead the significant establishment due to her legal knowledge and commitment to consumer advocacy. Mr. Speaker, in the establishment of the Financial Services Ombudsperson function, the existing complaints management function undertaken by the Reserve Bank of Fiji will be maintained, but elevated to ensuring the specific function is conducted by an appointed Financial Services Ombudsperson. The office will function as an impartial platform dedicated to resolving disputes between consumers and financial services providers regulated by the Reserve Bank of Fiji. Its primary responsibilities include investigating complaints, facilitating discussion, ensuring fair resolutions. Its role is crucial in providing consumers with a reliable mechanism to address the grievances, which ultimately helps to build trust and confidence in the financial services sector, Mr. Speaker. In this regard, the Ombudsperson will have an increased focus on ensuring the principles of independence to secure impartiality, clarity of scope and powers, accessibility, effectiveness, fairness, and transparency and accountability, sir. We are confident, sir, that the Office of the Financial Services Ombudsperson will play a crucial role in maintaining transparency and accountability in Fiji's financial services sector, Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.